Today, we're learning English.
Not the boring kind.
You should try it.
Give it a shot.
You can stay at my place.
You can crash at my place.
That's a good deal.
You're getting the best bang for your buck.
I'll come and get you.
I'll swing by and pick you up.
Stop joking.
You're pulling my leg.
Don't tell the secret.
Don't spill the beans.
I made a mistake.
I messed up.
I'm listening to you.
I'm all ears.
It's not difficult.
It's a piece of cake.
I'm very busy.
I'm swamped.
I'm angry.
I'm ticked off.
I don't have any money.
I'm broke.
I'm busy right now.
I've got a lot going on.
I don't like it.
It's not my cup of tea.
I'm nervous.
I'm kind of freaking out.
I'm happy.
I'm pumped.
I'll pay for the meal.
It's on me.
That's expensive.
That costs a fortune.
That's okay.
No worries.
I don't know.
No idea.
Sorry.
My bad.
Be careful.
Watch out.
I'm very tired.
I'm wiped out.
Don't tell the secret.
Don't spill the beans.
I will help you.
I've got your back.